People say copywriting is dead in 2026, that AI is taking over and copywriters are just broke on the streets right now. And yet, in the last 24 hours, three of my copywriting students have had $1,000 plus wins. So check this out. This is New Year's Eve. Okay, so number one, Austin. This is just New Year's Eve. He landed a $3,000 gym client. So it was a fitness situation, gym. He had a goal back in October, November that he get his first client by January 2026. Literally on New Year's Eve, December 31st, closes a $3,000 client. Okay, so that's that. Next one is this is D. We'll call him D. He upsold his current copywriting client to a $1,000 a month retainer. So $1,000 a month retainer. He was already making $1,000, so he's making at least $2,000 a month. He just closed them for doing some emails and some Substack notes, which is kind of like the new social media platform that Substack introduced, kind of like Twitter. So that was the second one. And then the third one is from my other student, A. You can't really see the picture here. It's kind of weird, but she is a full-time mom of three little kids who are like 5 years old and under. She just landed another $800, which means she made $4,300 for the month of December. This is like, as a full-time mom of three little kids. I have two little kids and I'm working, right? My wife is with them for most of the day. It's hard having having two little kids. She has three and is a full-time mom and made $4,300 on the side of doing this, right? $4,300. She's on pace for $50,000 doing part-time copywriting as a full-time, homeschooling mom, basically. So this is New Year's Eve, 2025. Three wins, $3,000, $1,000, $800. So she made $4,300 with part-time copywriting on the side. So if you think copywriting is dead, if you think AI is taking things out, just look at what people are actually doing. Don't listen to weird noise out there. Don't listen to people who don't know what they're talking about. Listen to actual copywriters who are making money. Go talk to people who are getting Stripe payments hit their bank account and ask them how they're making the money. Because I'm telling you right now, if you want to make money in 2026 and you want to kickstart this year right, and you want to actually have a tangible skill that will work for you in 2030, 2040, 2100, however old you're going to live, I don't know. Then here's what it comes down to. You figure out how to grow businesses, you'll never run out of money. If you figure out how to make other people more money, you figure out how to grow people's businesses, then you'll never be broke. You'll always be rich. You'll always have wealth. You'll always have money hitting your bank account. You'll never be in need. You'll have more freedom and autonomy than anything else. And right now, there's two options to do that. Okay? The best things you could possibly learn is a skill. Don't forget about business and e-com and drop shipping and trading and sales and the best thing you do is just learn a skill that is in demand that helps grow businesses. And right now, the two best skills to do that is face-to-face sales and copywriting. Why? Because these both directly tell people, buy this thing now. And next thing you know, people are pulling out their credit cards and buying things. Okay, so that's why copywriting works. Now, will copywriting shift? Well, the way sales is already shifting, copywriting is shifting, social media is shifting, customer service, everything's shifting with AI, but it's not like it's just wiping whole industries out. It's making these things evolve, right? Business owners will never not want to grow their businesses. Business owners will always want to make more money. So your job as the copywriter is not to write copy. It's to make business owners money. It's to grow their businesses. Copywriting just happens to be the best vehicle to do that with asynchronous work, which means you can write whenever you want, wake up at 7 a.m., be done by 12 p.m., and make six figures per year, which is what I've done for the past few years, right? Sales is one thing where you got to be kind of more on it. You got to set up calls and meet face to face, but you can still make a ton of money. I prefer copywriting. I think it's much more fun and gives you much more freedom and flexibility, and you can make a ton of money. But if you're wondering, is copywriting the right thing to do right now? Should I build a business as a copywriter? Should I go try to land clients? Should I build my skills? Yeah, if you want to make money, like A did, like D did, and like Austin did literally in the past 24 hours. So if you want some more help with this, go check out my link in the description. I got some paid help if you want to move fast. If you want to kickstart January right now and you want to, and if you're serious about this, right? I teach other copywriters how to become a full-time copywriter. I've been doing this for 7 years, almost 7 years. I've made over $700,000 as a copywriter, and I've helped 750 plus students do this. 777. 750 plus students like Austin, like D, like A, and many others do the same thing starting from scratch. So if you want help with this, and if you're serious about doing this in 2026 and you want to get wins like this, right? And you want to quit your dead-end job, maybe get out of university and whatnot, and build a future for yourself and for your family, go click the link in the description and do that and apply to that today.